This video tutorial will demonstrate the proper assembly of a 12-bottle mini scalloped wine rack. Follow the same assembly procedure for all scalloped wine rack models. Before we begin, check the package contents list on page 1 of your assembly guide to verify that you have the correct number of parts. To start, insert the scalloped legs into the notched slots on the footpiece. Drive a screw through the pre-drilled holes to attach the legs to the foot. Now, insert the second footpiece to match up to the ends of the two scalloped legs on the opposite end and attach with screws. Follow this process until all scalloped wine racks have been assembled. Next, push a provided wood dowel into each pre-drilled hole on the top of your foot pieces. Use a rubber mallet if necessary. Then, line up the holes on the bottom of the second rack and carefully press the rack into place. Use a rubber mallet if necessary. That's it! This scalloped wine rack is now ready to store your favorite vintage. If you have any questions or concerns, please call or email us using the information shown on your screen.